Vänta. Bullen! Här, killen! Jajamän, bra killen! Ja, bra killen, kom igen!
For me, it was very special with the LURVIG project that we, for the first time, targeted not the many people, as we do at IKEA, but actually the many animals.
Well, I was very happy when I got involved in this project. I was always waiting the moment that IKEA brings pet articles into the range, because I know there is a need on the market of well-designed products. So I was really, really happy and enthusiastic about the idea to be part of this big project.
Go live, please. Roll camera.
Speed!
It is quite important for IKEA to have a pet range that fits into our normal furniture range. As a pet owner, I can say, so far the normal pet products are quite ugly. So it's quite nice to have well-designed and good quality products for this family member as well.
Because I love my work, most of the times when I develop something, I do it with a lot of emotion, and I put all my heart on this. It was so special because finally I can do something for them and something for the many dogs or cats in the world. So I was just very, very excited. I'm very happy that IKEA took the decision to start selling products for pets, and I hope that many families can really enjoy, and the most important part of it is to spend time with their pets, because they need to spend time with the owners. This is something that is very important in the relation between pets and people.
It was quite important to separate between dog needs and cat needs. And that is also where I contributed in the project to consider cat needs a little bit differently, in the sense of cats need special textiles, smell is quite important, and they want to have it cozy and sometimes dark and closed off. While the dog is happy to lay over yourself on the sofa, the cat might need a separate area close to you. So that is where I think we have developed the range even more, to separate, so that just not to call them pets, but to have dog products and cat products, and some products that actually can be used by both.
Dogs really want to be physical. So if you kind of really cuddle and hug the dog, it gets extremely happy. They want that more than they say good dog. They don't. Of course, you can do both. You can say good dog, etc. But you should always kind of be physical with the dog. With the cat, it's not really the same way. Of course, cats really enjoy if you pet them. So there's been research also where to actually pet a cat, and their favorite areas is where the cat has these pheromone glands, the scents. So it's on the chin and on the base of the ear.
I love my dogs because I feel like they are the only ones that can really take me to the present. Whenever I'm stressed, or whenever I have my head full of thoughts, I just go and spend time with them, and suddenly everything stops.